But mine has a turbo. He's got VTECH, which means it probably runs off the camera fast and all that stuff. But shit, fingerprints. I just watched my shit today. Is it print already? Yes. Y'all we finna run him. Bookie! You got white smoke coming at your car, bro. Hey, Dookie. Let me whip this hoe. Huh? I texted him back. He didn't say nothing.
Need to go check your haul.
Oh, God. Okay, I ain't never call on his stuff like that.
Go check your haul, bitch. Go put some haul in your car. Before you blow that goddamn head gas. Huh? Yeah, man, you go put some haul in there? Huh? What? Bro, your shit smoking.
Hey, but I'm gonna get on the phone with somebody and I can run you. You got time or you gotta, you good? You gotta head out? We gotta run it. I'm gonna run it and then I'm gonna call this person. Okay? Alright. Come on, y'all. Come on. Lauren Hill, get your room. Oh, and I'm supposed to record the car first? Yeah, perfect. I'm gonna race it. Am I gonna get the car real quick? No, you just call. I don't like this. That's talking. I don't know what to say. We about to race this. What year is this? 2007? Yeah. My little good though. Bro, it keeps up with mine. So.
No, I think that's in my thing. I can keep up with them.
Oh, nobody
with these things, they don't want it.
Yeah.
Yours is fast though.
Yeah. Alright.
That's the big deal. Disappointed.
Y'all YouTube camera? Yeah. I'm going to say, they YouTube camera. Leave a mic. Alright.
Damn, I'm gonna she won't. You my piece of shit. How you stop? Oh, you can't stop.
You want to race? Shut up, nigga.
Why you lying? Your friends do it. He know that shit ain't gonna
Y'all, we finna switch to the GoPro. Now he finna
that shit ain't gonna make it.
They say it's cheaper to keep it, yeah. Fuck it, I'm rich, so I love her. Shout out the plug, let me keep all the extra, yeah. I just put up in the Tesla, yeah. Pull me a 4-pop Tesla, yeah.
This shit ain't over. I think he went the other way.
He went to the right.
He probably went, yeah, that's what I figured. Let me go over here. He probably didn't know me.
Where the fuck Bookie go? Oh.
He put some oil in that shit. He know his head gasket blown? There you go. There you go. Oh, shit.
Hey, he got lights up on his shit.
You want to get a 30 roll in. Oh, tell him, get on the left side. He gotta get on the left side. Left side.
Hey, switch sides. Get on the left side.
No, because I need to get this shot on the YouTube channel so they can see. We don't. I'm brake boosting. Are you ready? You ready? 30? 30? All right.
Bitch, all your friends is kids and be racing.
No, for sure.
You don't understand.
Get in the left lane, nigga.
Let's just stop. Let's go from a stop.
I dig?
Yeah.
I don't know how to do that.
Me either.
Fuck.
You did at the red light.
Alright.
Oh yeah,
all right.
So we're good right here.
Oh shit, I'm scared. Can you get on the left side? So the camera can see you. The camera's on this side. Oh shit. Alright. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Clutch, please last.
You got it.
Alright. Oh.
fucking hair.
Sorry now. Can we go? Can we do it?
Make it.
I don't need to leave. We ain't over yet. He wasn't too far behind us.
Oh, you're right there. He's just not coming back around.
Oh, okay, alright, yeah. Alright.
Get in the left lane.
Left side, cause the car right there. Hold on. Bitch. My hazard's on, I'm stuck out.
You gotta wait.
There you go. Oh God, I'm scared. Trying to make sure they ain't nobody, no cops or nothing, cause I don't. We just stopping in the middle of the street, but
They
sometimes
didn't know what was going on. They could have
my mile per hour going, my gas mileage going down.
Yeah, wait for this bus too.
Yeah, huh?
Watch that too. So at this point, might need to run it again. What? I think it's grass. Oh wait, call her mama back. Alright, now let's get to the
No, because I don't want her to hear all this stuff in the background. So, y'all, that's the end of this video. Peace. Are you sure it was recording? Did you press record?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was